I develop a Wikipedia article generator in my Python mini project, and main motto of this project is to user can find find and exploring the random Wikipedia articles, and also enhancing them knowledge, and it is useful to the user. So first of all, let me run this project to see the output of this project. So this is a Wikipedia article generator, and it is output of my project. And if here shows up click generate to get a link to a random Wikipedia article. So whenever user can click this button generate new article. So here we can see that new article link is generated, and if a user redirect to the this Wikipedia article, then user also click on this link, and it will redirect to the Wikipedia article. So here we can we redirect to the Wikipedia article. So first, for creating this project, I import the various libraries of the Python. So first of all, I import the request library. So request library allows us to send HTTP request using Python, and it will add a content like header from data, manipulate multiple files and parameters via simple Python libraries. And then I import the web browser. So web browser module provides a high level interface to allow displaying web based document to user. And then I import the beautiful soap. So beautiful soap is basically used for web scraping purpose to pull the data out of the HTML and XML files. And last I import the Kinter library. So here we can see that import star represents all the functions and built-in modules in the Kinter library. And then I create a callback function. So here I create a callback function. So whenever this user click on this so whenever a user click on this link, so this function is called, and it will open in the user's browser and showing the Wikipedia article. So it is simply a web browser.open.new in parenthesis giving the URL. So it is a function that takes a link and open it in the user prefer browser. Then I create a callback function. uh, then I create a get article function. So in this first of all I pass the random Wikipedia article link to the random link variable. Then this uh, this this link will create a new link for the random Wikipedia article. Then through request.get, it will request that to find the content of the page, and it will store in the page variable. Then through this beautiful soap, we can extract the content, or we can say a header title of the Wikipedia, and then store in the soap variable. And then through the soap uh, through the soap object, and it's find soap.find method, I extract the title of the Wikipedia article and stores in the name variable. Then if there is a space in between the words, then it is replaced by the underscore and stored in the new link variable. And then configure a link through this and giving the some styles to the fonts link, and then bind with the callback function. So whenever user click on this link, it callback function we can show that callback function is called, and it will open the user's preferred browser and showing the Wikipedia article. And then this code is GUI of this of my project. So I use a window widget of the Tkinter library, and then canvas widget for this for design the GUI of this project, and then giving some height and width and some style to this canvas, and then store in the canvas object. And through this canvas object we can call various type of methods like create oval, create rectangle, and creating through this we create a rectangle oval of our GUI, and passing some parameters like coordinates of this rectangle and oval, and giving some styles. And then it is also canvas helping using canvas. And then this is through this window object we can call the title method, and giving the title of the this pro this project, and that is a Wikipedia article generator. And resizable, working for a resize of this GUI. We can see that this is a not zoom, because here we giving the false parameters, and then call geometric of this window. And then through this we button widget we can if a user click on this generate new article button here, then there is a giving some styles, and then stores in the generate article variable. And then uh, through this title I shows up here title of this Wikipedia article. And if user interested in this Wikipedia article, then it will redirect to the Wikipedia article by clicking the clicking this link, and then giving a side as a top to the title, and then storing and the by calling the label widget, I giving the styles, and then store in the link, and then giving the side as a top. And window main window main loop is a Python window main loop tells Python to run the inter event loop. This method listens for events such as button clicks or key presses, and block any code that comes after it from running until the window is called. So it's running like a loop, like a loop. So this is my Wikipedia article generator. I again run this project, and shows up, it will shows up the Wikipedia article generator window. And if click on the generate new article, then here new article link is comes. And then if I interested to this Wikipedia article, then I click on this, and it will redirect to me to the Wikipedia article. And I simply shows up the Wikipedia article and read it and exploring, and enhancing my knowledge and exploring new Wikipedia various articles.